today, trust in public institutions has been waning, unfortunately. There is a pervasive perception that public institutions have become detached from the needs and values of the people. There is undoubtedly a great deal of public trust deficit, especially between the government and the citizenry, which requires serious engagement for us to rebuild. Being a woman of faith and listening to many clarion calls, I agree that 2025 in Kenya is the year of rebuilding our country, and it's also the year of repairing the breach. The greatest aspect of rebuilding for me is the broken relationships of trust between the people and the institutions of government. The people must trust the people in government who serve them. We in the judiciary under the National Council on the Administration of Justice, that INBC is also a critical member, we have taken the challenge to see how we can reach out to our people, the people we serve, and ask them, where have we gone wrong? How can we serve them better? How can we build the trust? And how can we move together? We are doing this through the court users committees, and I believe you will also undertake civic education in a manner that will build the public trust during this year of the clarion call of rebuilding our nation and repairing the breaches wherever they have happened. Because deficit of trust poses a real danger to our democracy, to our national cohesion, and our constitutional order. You must rise above this crisis of confidence. More than perhaps any other institution in this season, you, the INBC, must earn the trust of the people through your conduct. You must always ask how the decisions you make, just like we do in the judiciary, impact on the society. You must also be very, very wary about your integrity. This journey begins today. The oath you have taken must be the compass that guides all your decisions and conduct. It binds you to fidelity to the Constitution, as the previous speakers have said, and also to the law. It commits you to serve the people of Kenya diligently and honestly. It reminds you that public office is one of public trust. As we look ahead to the 2027 general elections and also the upcoming by-elections, the stakes could not be higher. The Kenyan people are watching. They expect nothing less than a commission that will deliver an electoral process that is peaceful, legitimate, transparent, and verifiable. This is your constitutional calling and your historic duty. I urge you to remember that democracy is not sustained by the laws and institutions alone. It is sustained by the trust, by fairness, and by the collective belief of citizens that their voice and their vote will matter. You have the opportunity and the obligation to restore and strengthen that belief. I take this opportunity on behalf of the judiciary, the National Council on the Administration of Justice, to wish you wisdom, courage, and integrity as you undertake this sacred mandate. We will stand ready to support you to uphold the rule of law, and we urge you to do your part in defending our Constitution and nurturing our democratic journey. May God bless you. May God